In this video, we will see the softwares required for this series. So the first software that we need is Node.js. You'll get the latest version in their website, that is nodejs.org. It has automatically selected the Mac OS version for me, and it should select the Windows version for you automatically as well if you're using Windows. But if it hasn't, then just go to downloads and then install the one that is suited for your operating system. I recommend that you download the LTS version. So installing Node will install two things in your system. First thing that it will install is Node. So after installing, if you write node-v, it should show the install version, and it should also install the npm, that is Node Package Manager. So if you write npm-v, it should show you the npm version as well. The next thing that we will require is a code editor. I recommend using Visual Studio Code. It has a lot of features. It supports a lot of plugins, and the syntax highlighting is just amazing. But if you prefer something else like Atom, then you can install that as well. So just search on the internet for Atom Code Editor and just download the latest free version. There is another good option, that is Sublime Text. You can use it as well. So just search Sublime Text on the internet and download it for your operating system.